Charlie, are you a pirate? Charlie, let her have a turn.
Lila, say thank you. Lila, say to the little boy, say thank you.
Cloud! There's a cloud!
Is that a cannon?
Up here. A pirate.
Okay.
It's a sea. My turn? My turn?
Sure.